Is Billy worth fighting for? Naisip ko na ba yun?
Yeah.
Why?
Yes. Because he would fight for me. And it's hard to find someone who would fight for you just the way you would fight for me.
If you give percent on the level that you wanna answer yes to her, how many percent na yan?
Well, ito na lang. I don't know percent, pero ito na lang. I wouldn't be here naman kung hindi papunta doon. I wouldn't be answering you guys the way I'm answering you right now, and I wouldn't be seeing him every day if I didn't, you know, if we both didn't want it to go to that direction.
Do you think he's the one?
Too early pa. Too early pa to tell. Because, syempre, you would not just base that on how you feel about the person, but also, you'd base that by how you guys get through your fights. Yung talagang may pinagdaanan na kayo. And kami ni Billy, although may pinagdaanan na, hindi pa ganun kalalim. So, I think it's too early to say talaga. And you really need time, and not just time, but yun, yung what makes love a roller coaster. Wala pa kami nun.
Pero marami nagsasabi, you're blooming now. Yun,
Thank
si ano ba yung... siya yung dahilan ng pagiging blooming mo ngayon?
I believe kasi na you're at your most beautiful when you're happy. So, yun, I'm really happy now at malaking factor siya doon. But if I'm only happy with him, then I wouldn't be truly happy. I'm happy, of course, also with my family. It's a balance eh. And once you achieve that balance, that's the time that you can say na, gosh, I'm happy, diba? So, I'm happy now. I'm working. I'm happy.
Happy with the love life, with the career,
happy with my love life. Or my like life.
Oh my! Downgrade.
O sige, let's call it a love life. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that na lang. And then I'm happy with my work. I'm happy with my family. I'm happy with my friends. Parang, it's like I couldn't ask for more. Parang ang selfish ko pa kung humingi pa ako ng more, diba? So, I feel like I haven't been this happy in a long time. And I'm just so happy.
Kasi nagkita naman kayo ni Nikki Hill.
Nagkasalubong or parang...
No, actually, hindi pa. We were at an event together, yung Style Origins, pero hindi kami nagkita.
Pero kung sakali, wala namang
Okay lang.
hesitation.
Actually, nagkita kami sa, Ad Congress. Sa Subic. Yes, nagkita kami doon. All of us.
Nagka-hi naman kayo or
Yeah, I mean, still be polite naman. Siyempre, we were all still polite to each other. But there's really no bad vibes naman eh. Wala namang bad vibes. Past is past.
Pero hindi kayo nagkausap na.
No, pero before naman, di rin naman kami masyado nag-uusap eh. We
You're
were
not
never
close.
close. No, we were never close.
Sa tingin mo ba, tingin mo ba if you would talk to her, do you have plans of talking to her?
I don't know, kasi parang before, di naman kami nag-uusap. So, of all the times for me to talk naman to her, parang weird.
Parang for that purpose lang that you wanna ask permission. Wala namang
no, I don't think there's any reason to talk. Billy didn't talk to any of my exes to ask. You don't really ask for permission from the other person because it's finished na eh, tapos na. So, ayun.
Thank you.
Thank you.